Channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. The Leroy and Mihlali issue is just so confusing right now, okay? And I know, guys, as people we tend to believe women all the time, like, yeah, vele Leroy has been abusive, Leroy has been doing this and that. But guys, today I just want to tell you everything that I know about this issue, and then when you will decide on yourself ukuthi mawucabanga kahle kahle ubani beka wrong kule ndaba, ubani beka wrong ku-acrimony, ne? So firstly, Mihlali posted pictures on her Instagram and tagged Leroy and said, "Thank you, my love. Thank you, my angel." Ne? Those pictures, Mihlali was bruised nje apha, the mouth, you know, and this side, ne? And tagged Leroy. Within 5 minutes, she deleted those pictures. Those pictures didn't even last in J. 5 minutes in J is a lot, you know. But Sana, she's a celebrity. People have already seen these pictures, so it was already trending, you know. Someone took a screenshot, Twitter, and then. So now people were thinking that Leroy is guilty. Leroy abused Mihlali, and then Mihlali was just like, "Thank you, my love, for assaulting me." You know, she was just trying to tell the world, guys, I got assaulted by this man. Then there's a gossip page called Umaphephandaba, ne? The bravery, guys. I need that bravery. Okay, I need that bravery because wow, it's on another level, and it's good for a person who is running a gossip page to have that kind of bravery. So that page called Umaphephandaba, the gossip page, sent a message to Leroy Sithambe, who is Mihlali's boyfriend, because in my head I'm thinking about husband, because this person is somebody else's husband, you know. But I don't know, maybe he is divorced now. I really don't know, and I don't care. I was not even following the story. Kodwa I came back to Umaphephandaba, sent a message on Instagram and asked Leroy ukuthi, so Umaphephandaba had a screenshot already and sent it to Leroy and asked ukuthi what's happening, you know, what's going on, what's cooking. And by that time Mihlali had already deleted the pictures. So Leroy was like, yeah, he would never hit a woman. That is rule number 1 in Tontoni, meaning that he is denying the allegations that he laid a hand on Mihlali, ne? So Leroy saw ukuthi his reputation was on the line, and people are starting to blame him now, and they are saying that he sent that message to Umaphephandaba to defend himself, you know. Then he released a screenshot of Mihlali Ndamase with 75 missed calls, 78, 75. Kodwa nje, yeah, which means Mihlali has been calling Leroy and Leroy was not answering. And then Mihlali was like, you know what, I will go to his place, Mina. So allegedly Leroy has been cheating, and I think this is what all the people, like everyone, is just assuming Guti Mihlali found out Guti Leroy was cheating, and then she tried to contact him and he was not answering, and Ugiel went to Leroy's place. Now, according to the statement that was released by Leroy, when Mihlali got there, forced umntana ka Leroy. So when Mihlali got there, she was forcing umntana ka Leroy ukuthi, please open up for me, I want to go inside, I want to see your dad, you know. Then when she got there, apparently she took a knife and went to the bedroom where Leroy was sleeping or chilling, I don't know, and she allegedly wanted to attack him. This is the statement that was released by Leroy, ne? Don't hold me to anything, guys. So Umihlali wanted to attack Uliroy, and Uliroy was just defending himself when he pushed Umihlali against the wall. So when he pushed Umihlali, not ukuthi like he was pushing into the wall, he pushed Umihlali, and then Mihlali made contact with the wall, and then that's, you know. And when I looked at those pictures, guys, the pictures of Umihlali and the bruises, those bruises are not giving those bruises, guys, are not giving hands. Like akusho akubonisa ukuthi like umuntu akana umuntu otherapiwe ukuthi incindi or ini. Even the one that is here, you know, those bruises are not giving hands, ne? But I'm not an expert, just my 2-cent opinion on this matter. So now Uliroy released this statement to defend himself, and also the screenshots of the missed calls, you know. And when you look at it in another way, this thing makes sense. Okay, obviously if you find out that your man is cheating, you would want to go there and you should to confront him and everything. And the fact that Uliroy said ukuthi the son was forced to open for Umihlali, meaning ukuthi kahle kahle uGuy njengoba angabambi ifone, he was avoiding Umihlali, you know. Then Mihlali was like, you know what, I will go to confront this guy. Not sure about the knife, but kuthiwa ke sana uGirl had a knife. uGirl wanted to, not that she wanted to silence him, like I don't think it's that deep, but like, you know, when you are mad, ne? So now it's like Umihlali posted those pictures to paint Uliroy as a bad person, to say that Uliroy abused her, you know. And guys, Nina mani begile linda baluwan bega wrong. Who did what in this situation? Because and Umihlali has been quiet, man. I'm sure now maybe she is cooking up some statement, or maybe she is just deciding to just stay away from this whole thing. I don't know. I will check on her Instagram though. I will keep on checking. But for now, she has been quiet. You know, and when you are quiet, you are making it seem like you are guilty. You don't have anything else to say. The only thing that she did was post on her Instagram stories ukuthi there are always two sides to a story. So, asaz. But for now, it seems like people, you know, are starting to believe Uliroy velo ukuthi Mihlali. And also Uliroy also mentioned ukuthi Umihlali was on substances when she came and took the knife, was on substance abuse. Guys, what did I say about celebrity breakups? What did I say about celebrity breakups? Not that they have broken up, but celebrity breakups, guys, there's always something abumpumelelo abubanban. And now there's this Mr. Trip guy and his wife. They are dragging each other. Ulatoya Makene and Ulebu nabo, they were dragging each other. Celebrity breakups. Hi. So guys, we don't know. Now we are waiting for Mihlali's statement to, I don't know, maybe say Uguti, I don't know, guys, I don't know, maybe try to give us some explanation. But she doesn't owe us anything. Even if she doesn't tell us anything, it's fine. Maybe she just wants to keep silent and move on from this whole drama. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. Please comment down below, what do you think, guys, of this whole matter and all the evidence that we have so far. Who do you think is wrong? Who do you think is right? Who do you think is lying? I will see you on my next one. Bye.